You can't get home unless you are safe. Alert today, alive tomorrow. Leave sooner, drive slower, live longer. Night doubts, traffic troubles. Stop accidents before they stop you. Speed thrills but kills. A very good morning, everyone. Students, have you ever heard these slogans? These are road safety rules slogans. So today we are going to study lesson 8 of our book James for Life, and the title of our lesson is Rules That Keep Us Safe. Children, what do you mean by safety rules? It's a principle or regulation governing actions, procedures or devices intended to lower the occurrence or risk of injury, loss and danger to persons, property or environment. Do you know, students, why we see many accidents nowadays? These are due to negligence of safety measures and driving harshly. Here we are going to study a small talk between two friends regarding this. Pooja asked Ritu that whether she knows about Vipin's brother's accident. He is in hospital and in a serious condition. Doctors say his legs may have to be amputated. Ritu answered, there are many safety rules to the drivers and the pedestrian ought to follow. If we are little careful to follow these rules, we can avoid accidents. At a young age, he lost his leg. To this, Pooja replied, yes, you are correct. Traffic rules are roadmap towards wellness of people. If we don't keep the law, we may not be at the safer side. But abiding the law will give us safety. Traffic laws are the laws which govern traffic and regulate vehicles. These laws are not only for the drivers of vehicles but also meant for the pedestrians, cyclists, motorcyclists and other road users. The proper knowledge of these laws can reduce a number of accidents and thus can establish a healthy and organized traffic system in our country. You must have seen traffic lights on the road. These traffic lights or traffic signals used to control traffic on the road. The traffic lights for vehicles have three colors: red, amber and green. The traffic lights for pedestrians have two colors: red and green. Dear students, have you ever seen policemen on the road? The specially trained policeman controls the traffic in the absence of traffic lights. He uses various hand signals to control the traffic. Some signals are: this signal is used to stop vehicles coming from front. This signal is used to stop vehicles coming from behind. This signal is used to stop vehicles approaching simultaneously from behind and front side. This signal is used to stop vehicles approaching from right and left side. Dear students, have you seen markings on the road? These markings or lines indicate a number of meaning on the road for the drivers as well the pedestrians. These markings are white and yellow in color, and each type of marking has a special meaning. Disobey the meanings of these markings is an offense and can lead to accidents. The alternate black and white lines painted across the road are called zebra crossing or pedestrian crossing. A continuous yellow color line at the edge of road indicates that no vehicle is allowed to park on the side of the road. Now let's go with some rules for pedestrians. First, Always look on either side before crossing the road. Second, always walk on footpath or along the side of the road. Third, never run or play on the road. Fourth, never cross the road at bends or curves. Fifth, always cross the roads at zebra crossing. Sixth, always check that the traffic has stopped before you start to cross the road. Seventh, prepare footbridges and subways to cross the roads wherever available. Dear students, there are also some important general rules which we must follow on the road. Never use a mobile phone while walking or driving. Do not drive harsh or with a distracted mind. Always follow the rules laid down by the government, such as having a license, wearing helmet, etc. Children below the age of 18 are not allowed to drive motor vehicles. Road rules are important for our safety. We are also responsible to keep some rules of the school, community and society. There are many more rules formulated for the safety of children. Varun brought up in a rich family. His parents and grandparents were teachers. They had very clear family rules. It was mandatory in their family to do their work themselves, like spreading the bed, washing their utensils by own. Just because Varun had all these habits, it was very easy for him to adjust in the hostel. Unlike his friends, they had two more safety rules. They had to inform their parents or elders before going out. Their friends were not allowed in the house if parents were not there. This definitely helped Varun to ensure safety. Family rules help children to imbibe good and mature behavior. Parents who live with values are a good role model of their children. Some people see rules and regulation as obstacles in their freedom. For such people, keeping the law is very difficult. For example, have you seen "Keep to the left" caption on the staircase? If you don't keep notice of it and start climbing up and down, there will be accident. Keep to the left option is to avoid accidents. But today some people find rules and regulation as a burden. They try to become heroes by breaking the rules. As we are living in the society, rules and regulations are necessary for us. They ensure the safety of the community. If we keep law, law will also keep us. The benefit of formulating law is for safety of all the citizens. So let us believe, if we obey rules, the rule will keep us safe. I hope all of you learn a valuable lesson from this video. Thank you.